Baji mai fasti iniu an tatu lad a bhí fiora fihas a hien agus tá magic janu iniu cabajal a níjig an buachaillín Sinséir the gingerbread man atá erlachana Shaska is a hocht page 68 den lower Aberlum agus taréis sin be magic janu an task erlachana Shaska is a nai. We'll be doing the task on page 69. Now, to the picture is the sreiche. The pictures are in series here, boys and girls. An lahanach agus caihimach éisteach leis na scéal agus fólam na habertí key at the bunch leis an scéal. We have to listen to the key phrases that are associated with the lesson. So, bun salt as an scéal anish, lehi me an scéal Dave. I'll read you the story. Agus an shin chuckamajarash hig and task. We'll come back to the task, okay? So, an buachaillín Sinséir. Bhí fear agus ban an fadó, ní ro éon leanamh acu. Tá bronar a mers an fear, tá bronar a mers an van. There was a man and woman long ago. They had no child. I'm sad, said the man. I'm sad, said the woman. Bhí an van sa chistí, buachaillín buachaillín Sinséir a dhéanamh ar sise. The woman was in the kitchen. I would like to make a gingerbread man, she said. Rin si buachaillín Sinséir, rin si cion, rin si corp, rin si gá láv agus gá chos. She made a gingerbread man. She made a head, she made his body, she made 2 hands and 2 feet. And sin, chuir si an buachaillín Sinséir san aigin. Ta ocras mór ar a mers an van. Then she put the gingerbread man into the oven. Aigin. I'm hungry, said the woman. And will she ray ar san fear? Níl ar san van. Is it ready, said the man. No, it's not, said the woman. Duscail an fear doras an aigin mar bhí ocras air. The man opened the oven door because he was hungry. And machhais an buachaillín Sinséir, ríshe mahan doras, ríshe agus ríshe. Out jumped the gingerbread man. He ran out the door, he ran and he ran. Stop ar san fear, stop ar san van. Ach lean an buachaillín Sinséir agree. Stop, said the man, stop, said the woman, but the gingerbread man kept on running. Nuair a bhí sé ag rí, scrad sé, rí, ní féidir le brethorm is me an buachaillín Sinséir. When he was running, he shouted, Run, run as fast as you can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. Rihan buachaillín Sinséir, rihan fear, rihan van, an malach bhuail siad le capel. The gingerbread man ran, the woman ran, and on the way they met a horse. Stop ar san fear, stop ar san van, stop ar san capel. Ach lean an buachaillín Sinséir agree. Stop, said the man, stop, said the woman, and stop, said the horse, but the gingerbread man kept on running. Nuair a bhí sé ag rí, scrad sé, rí, ní féidir le brethorm is me an buachaillín Sinséir. Run as fast as you can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. Rihan buachaillín Sinséir, rihan fear, rihan van, rihan capel, an malach bhuail siad le bá. On the gingerbread man ran, the woman ran, the horse ran. On the way they met a cow. Stop ar san fear, stop ar san van, stop ar san capel, stop ar san bhá. Ach lean an buachaillín Sinséir ar agree. Stop, said the man, stop, said the woman, stop, said the horse, and stop, said the cow. But the gingerbread man kept on running. Nuair a bhí sé ag rí, scrad sé, rí, ní féidir le brethorm is me an buachaillín Sinséir. While he was running, he shouted, Run as fast as you can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. Hannig sé go dtí an abhainn. Tá mé fleoch ar san buachaillín Sinséir, chonaic sé sinnach. See ar mo rim ar san sinnach. He came to a river. Oh, I'm wet, said the gingerbread man. He saw a fox. Sit up on my back, said the fox. Go ro mai hugad san buachaillín Sinséir, agus hí sé a grim. Thank you, said the gingerbread man, and he sat on his back. Tá mí fós floch sa buachaillín Sinséir. Sír mar chion san sinach. Hí sé a chion. Oh, I'm still wet, said the gingerbread man. Sit on my head, said the fox. He sat on his head. Tá mí fós floch san buachaillín Sinséir. Sír mo chróin sa an sinach. Hí sé a chróin. Oh, I'm still wet, said the gingerbread man. Sit up on my nose, said the fox. He sat on his nose. Tá ugla san buachaillín Sinséir. Sciab. Díhan tí an sinach an buachaillín Sinséir sheer an aon grim amháin. Oh, I'm afraid, said the gingerbread man. Scrub. He ate up the gingerbread man in one bite. Sin Jerry ar scéal, tá súil agam a bhaistí gur win sibh sultas. G sé an sinach an buachaillín Sinséir an aon grim amháin. He gobbled him up in one big bite. Sin Jerry ar scéal agus sin Jerry leis an buachaillín Sinséir. That's the end of our story and the end of our gingerbread man.